How to order food using Uber Eats. Hey guys, in this beginner friendly guide, I'll have you enjoying your favorite meals in no time. So let's just dive into the app and get started. The first step is to download the Uber Eats application on your device. Go ahead and open Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search bar and simply search for Uber Eats. Hit enter and download the application from here. Once you've downloaded it, tap on the open button and launch the app. So the first thing you're going to be asked is to log in, which I've already done. You can log in using your phone number, your Google account, Facebook, Apple ID, or whichever is more comfortable with you. You can continue on with it. Now, once you have done that, you'll find your top restaurants and top features on Uber Eats. You can browse through your nearby restaurants, or you could also search by cuisine. Now you can pick a restaurant, browse its menu, and tap on the items to add it to your cart. So let me just go ahead and tap on the Shake Shack. So from here, I can tap on the restaurant name, browse through the menu, and select an item. Let's say if I want to go ahead and order these cheese fries, I'm just going to tap on them. Then you can click on this Add to Basket option. Once you have done that, you can view your basket from here and then select your item for checkout. If you want to increase the quantity, you can tap on the plus icon, or you could just go ahead and continue with a single item. And you could also add items on your basket by tapping on the Add Item button from the same restaurant or others. Now, once you have done that, you could select if you want it to be delivered or if you want it to be a pickup. Click on View Basket and then tap on Next. Tap on Continue. Then you'll see to complete your order. So you'll get some other recommendations that would go well with your order. I'm just going to tap on No Thanks. Add your payment method here. Enter your card details, or it could be your PayPal, gift card, or any other of these options like Venmo. So if you tap on credit or debit card, enter your card details like your number, expiration date, the CVV code, your currency, and then nickname. Then tap on next, and you've successfully placed your order. That's how you basically order food on Uber Eats. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.